Hello, this is Destroyer and welcome back to another Destroyer video. And today we're gonna wind my dog up. Yeah. So, where's my dog? She's out there somewhere. Yeah, there she is. Kia, come. Kia, come. Come on, Kia. I tried to upload this video before. Just go around here. Just go. Here you go. Whoa! Ah! Run! Run for your lives! Ah! Run! Okay, now there's another way to wind that up. Kia, come! Whoa! She didn't get wind up. She didn't really know. Okay, Kia, come. I get you. Never get you. No good. I got the ball. Look, everybody. I got the ball. Now I'm gonna throw it for her. Are you gonna get it? How are you gonna get it? I can give it to you.